Alright, so we have a block on a horizontal plane, and its weight is 20 newtons, and it's being pushed by 18 newtons. And the coefficient of friction is 0.4. So, adding all of the forces that don't cancel each other out, we have the applied force minus the force of friction. And we know that this is 18, and we know that this is 0.4 times the normal force, which is 20. And this is equal to 10, and this is equal to the mass times the acceleration. And in order to get the mass, we just use the fact that the weight is 20, and we just divide both sides by 9.81. We get about 2.04 kilograms. And yeah, then we just divide both sides by the mass to get the acceleration. And the acceleration is about 4.9 meters per second squared. Alright, let's solve our problem using the calculator. First, go ahead and go to the normal force calculator because we don't actually know the mass of the object. And go ahead and solve for mass. We know the normal force is 20 newtons because that's the weight. And there's no applied force or acceleration, so enter 0 for both. And since it said directly upward force, just go ahead and enter 90 degrees. And you'll get the mass, which we will round to about 2.04. Now go ahead and go to the horizontal motion calculator. Scroll to acceleration because that's what we want to solve for. Enter n because we don't know it. Enter our mass of 2.04. Our applied force of 18 newtons. Our coefficient of friction of 0.4. We don't know the force of friction. And our angle is just 0 degrees. And you get about 4.9 meters per second squared.